What's going on, my friends? Chris here. I want to bring out an update today of Bitcoin. We're also going to get into some altcoins as well. And first of all, guys, just want to say congratulations. This is amazing news. I've been in space for 6.5, 7 years, and to see that the Bitcoin ETF has been approved overall, I think for the space, whether we have a lot of volatility up here right now, whether we continue to move through $50,000, guys, or if we have a nice retracement, I think overall for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, this is a great day. So if you're excited about it with me, smash that thumbs up, let me know down low, and we're going to dig into this. So guys, I want to take a look at Bitcoin here and these altcoins on the daily time frame. So when we're taking a look at this here so far for Bitcoin, one thing I want to point out, everything's still looking good in terms of our moving averages. Our 20 simple moving average in green, we're still holding it. We're holding our 50 simple moving average in red and our 200 moving average, which is going to be in white. So no problem there. Everything's looking good. You can see a lot of indecision in the candles that we've had up here. We had the fake news come out, then we've had the real news, and we've had a lot of back and forth here, guys, on heavier volume. So we're going to have to watch. We're just going to have to strap in and just really watch levels here, guys. If we take a look at our smart money concepts, premium levels are going to be between $47,000 up to about that $48,000. Our equilibrium here, just looking overall, this big picture is going to put you back around $36,000 to $37,000. And then our strong low, which is marked here, is going to be between $25,000 up to about $26,000. So we're looking at that here, guys. We're also taking a look at the money flow. And money flow and relative strength. So right now our relative strength is at 64, so that's looking good. We're holding that 50 line as support. Money flow is going to be at a positive 7.08. So everything looking pretty good there, guys. I just think we're going to have a lot of volatility most likely into the close here in the next 15 minutes and then through the night. So just be prepared is the main thing that I can say. So that's going to be Bitcoin on the daily time frame. Next one's going to be the star of the show here, which is Ethereum. So Ethereum had been in equilibrium. Guys, right here had been back and forth, just working this equilibrium between about $2,100, then up to where I had this red resistance line here at $2,400. We have broken through that. We're waiting for the candle close of the day, and we want it to be on heavier volume, which it is. So this, guys, potentially could be a true breakout here if it wants to run. This is cryptocurrency, so anything could happen. We could always get this retest or just completely drop back. But textbook wise, if you're just looking at this here and you look at the heavier volume right now, guys, our average volume is 123,000 and our volume right now is 315,000. So that's a good sign there that we've more than doubled it. So just watching this, seeing where the candle closes today and seeing if we can get follow through. Money flow is going to be at a positive 7.41. Relative strength is going to be up around 70 right now. So that's going to be Ethereum. Next one is Link up about 10% on the day right now. So Link, we want to close back up above our 20 simple moving average in green, as well as our red 50 moving average. We want to get a nice close up above that in the next 15 minutes. We are on above average volume right now. If we take a look at our relative strength, we're at 52. So trying to close up above that 50, turn that into support. Money flow is going to be at a -6 right now. So support here, guys, what we really need to hold for Link is going to be $13, and we'll call it 20 cents. Overall main resistance here is going to be $16.93 are the areas I'm going to be looking at. Next one, let's take a look at Cardano, up about 11% on the day so far. So Cardano, we've tried to test back up to this 20 simple moving average in green. We've been rejected from that area, but what's been nice about this daily candle is that we potentially could close back up above this 50 simple moving average, and that's going to be in red here. And we'd close on a fairly nice candle on slightly above average volume. Average volume is going to be 14 million, and the volume here, guys, and this is in coins obviously, is going to be 16.48 million. So keeping an eye on Cardano and where we end up closing today. Money flow is going to be at a positive 4.47. Relative strength is going to be at 51. So trying to, same deal, guys, get back up above that 50 line, turn it into support. Next one's going to be Litecoin, up about 4.5% on the day right now. Litecoin still has a lot of work to do here, guys. You can see some wicks that were coming in. We were getting bought up down in the area of about $58. Up to $64. We've seen a little bit of rejection here at the 20 and 50 simple moving average, still trading below the 200-day simple moving average as well. So we definitely need to get through that. Looking at our money flow, it is completely flat right now. the bulls or the bears, no one's really in control, and then the relative strength is going to be at 49.5, so trying to break through that 50 for Litecoin. Let me see if there's any other ones. Guys, let's take a look at Filecoin here. So Filecoin, same deal, trying to defend this 50 simple moving average in red, guys, and that's going to put us right around $5.33. Resistance, we're trying to get back up over top of this green simple moving average, and that's going to be our 20 here, and that's going to put us at $6.11. So trying to get a daily candle close back up above that range, trying to go back up and test some higher levels. Main thing you want to watch on Filecoin, guys, we did have a pretty significant drop, so sometimes when we drop that hard, we can just push up into a lower high and then kind of get into that equilibrium. We're going to have to see. Obviously, we did have some good heavy buying pressure that came in back here. Our money flow is going to be at a positive 7.72. Relative strength is going to be at 51. And one thing for Filecoin, guys, I think this is a coin that a lot of people are kind of looking past here, and a lot of volume came into it. So I don't want to take too much time at the end here, but let me just step out and put this into perspective here for us. And guys, just like anything in cryptocurrency, anything can happen. But if we step back and we really look at this range here, this accumulation range that's been taking place, and it's between about $3 up to $12. Been really bouncing around in this area here, but you can see the heavy volume that has been coming in at around the price that we're at right now. But take a look at these sticks here. Throughout the bear market, you didn't see any type of volume like that. We're starting to see it again. This is a coin that has been as high as $238. Right now it is at $5.94. This is obviously not a buy recommendation. I'm just putting this on your radar in terms of something that I'm paying attention to, especially with this type of heavy volume that came in. So God bless each and every one of you guys. Congratulations to everybody. Take care, my friends.